Hi guys! Today I'm experimenting by making pancakes in the air fryer. Welcome to another video by Maddie and Masala. So I'm making oatmeal banana pancakes from scratch, but instead of pan frying them in the end, I'll pop them into the air fryer and see how they turn out to be. Let's get to it. First of all, take 2 bananas, ripe ones, and mash them. Next, take 1 egg and whisk it. Now, combine the 2 ingredients. Next, add in 1 cup of oat flour and mix. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for some flavor and 3/4 of a cup of milk. You can use any milk, dairy, non-dairy, whatever you prefer. I'm using less milk because I want to make a thick batter so that it won't be runny and, stay in position while in the air fryer. Add in some honey and vanilla essence if you want. This is totally optional. Preheat your air fryer at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. And while that's happening, we're gonna set up our air fryer pan. You have to cut out butter paper squares according to the size of your air fryer pan and also according to the number of pancakes you'll be making. So I didn't want to make a lot of pancakes in case this experiment failed. That's why I think my batter is gonna make only 4 pancakes. So I've cut out 5 squares of butter paper, and then you have to oil both sides of them so that the batter does not stick to those. Originally, I did not know how long it would take to cook completely, so I put in the pancakes for 10 minutes. And then checked if they were done after 10 minutes. They weren't, so I put them back in for another 10 minutes. And at the end of 20 minutes in total, they were done. As you can see the results, they do not look appetizing at all, but what you can't see is they're very, very soft. Time to dig in. So basically, they taste the same as pan-fried ones, but they are softer, especially if eaten fresh. The verdict is that I won't be making these again, mainly because it requires too much effort and time. I'd rather pan fry them because other than being very soft, there was no outstanding feature about them. So if you like this experiment and want me to do more of such videos, let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, like and share this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you soon!